Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. So today we are going to see how the communication tool like chat or messaging works in Yaraa. So let's just check it out. So once you log in Yaraa, you will see a dashboard like this, and then you can go into projects. Let's just create a new project and see how automatic chat works, chat group works in Yaraa. So whenever you create a new project, the chat group is automatically created for you in Yaraa. So we'll first create a project in Yaraa. So we'll just add up a project icon, project name, give a project description. There could be a target date, so target timeline when the project needs to be completed, so that we can use over here. There are different type of projects. You have private, public, or secret project, so that is also useful. You can also add a team members in here, so different team members that you can assign to for this particular projects. So you can select multiple members that's available in the organization, or you can also select a single member if you want. And if you want to add the customer detail, you can add it, or you can just leave it. So let's just click on save button and create project successfully. Message appears. We have created a Yaraa task manager project. So now in this one, I think we have the project owner and the team members, and there is a message button. If you click on the message button, it will show you the group that has been created automatically. Now you can also do the video calling through Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. So Zoom is obviously coming soon, but the Google Meet is already available for you to use. So you can also add a new member, attach a media, clear history, leave group. There are a number of features in the group chat that you can do. You can also attach a file from the bottom menu, or you can also send a message immediately for all the different team members that is part of the group. So you can just type one simple message. Hello everyone, this is new project, all has to complete it on time. So this new project space, so this project space can be used by all the team members to communicate effectively and collaboration in real time. So let's go from the left side menu in the messages. So we have the personal chat as well as group chat. So we can just go to group tab, Yaraa task management project. So here we have all the options. So the group message that we sent, you can also delete conversation, delete group, or view the members. You can also attach file from Google Drive. You can also do voice commands. So you also have one-to-one chat, which is we are not covering in this particular video, but you can also do one-to-one chat with individual team members. Thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.